session. You may be seated. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have received the communication that you provided to my staff, which is indicating that you are having difficulty coming up with a unanimous decision. So I have an instruction that I'm going to read to you at this time. In a large proportion of cases, absolute certainty cannot be attained or expected. Although the verdict must reflect the verdict of each individual juror and not mere acquiescence in the conclusion of your fellows, each question submitted to you should be examined with proper regard and deference to the opinions of others. You should consider it desirable that the case be decided. You are selected in the same manner and from the same source as any future jury would be. There is no reason to believe the case will ever be submitted to a jury more capable, impartial, or intelligent than this one. Likewise, there is no reason to believe that more or clearer evidence will be produced by either side. It is your duty to decide the case, if you can conscientiously do so. You should listen to one another's arguments with a disposition to be persuaded. Do not hesitate to re-examine your views and change your position if you are convinced that it is erroneous. If there is disagreement, all jurors should re-examine their positions, given that a unanimous verdict has not been reached. Jurors for acquittal should consider whether their doubt is reasonable, considering that it is not shared by others, be fully honest who have heard the same evidence with the same desire to arrive at the truth, and under the same oath. Likewise, jurors for conviction should ask themselves whether they might not reasonably doubt the correctness of a judgment not concurred in by all other jurors. I suggest to you, ladies and gentlemen, that you reread your jury instructions from beginning to end. And I'm going to return you to the deliberation room at this time.